Right there it is.
No, but you have to wait.
You guys, I'm all sore.
Hey,
But hey, you know what? Let's do it.
Restart it. Or whatever. Edgar. Come on, man.
Edgar is sore right now. Yesterday he was bowling and playing boxing on the Wii, but he's all sore. He woke up this morning. His arms were killing him.
Come on, Edgar. We don't want the vaccines. Alright, come on.
Everything was
Alright, come on.
Wait, hold on. We're going for phase 2?
Yeah.
What? What if I bust your nose?
Bust my nose?
Yeah.
Bust my nose?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Wait.
You're not.
Fighting grandpas. Oh, the older one is getting kicked. This guy's winning. The older one is getting his ass kicked.
Oh. That's on your shoe.
Huh?
Oh. What happened? That's on your shoe. You're my face.
That happened. You did that at Teddy? Yeah. Let's throw. No, let's throw. What is this guy up? Oh, you don't got it.
I barely tapped it. I know. Whoa! Hey, man! Stop! Oh. Another speed. Hold up. Oh, jeez. They hit me with that thing.